Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Tyrosine is formed by hydroxylation of the phenylalanine. Phenylalanine, after conversion to tyrosine, forms fumarate, which is a TCA cycle intermediate. Because pyruvate and TCA cycle intermediates can produce glucose in liver, these amino acids are glucogenic. And since phenylalanine and tyrosine can also produce acetyl-CoA, therefore these are both glucogenic and ketogenic. In the presence of transaminase, the tyrosine is converted to hydroxyphenyl pyruvate. Its amino group is transferred to alpha-ketoglutarate, which is converted to glutamate. Hydroxyphenyl pyruvate in presence of hydroxylase is converted into homogentisate. Here we can see the conversion of hydroxyphenyl pyruvate into homogentisate. Homogentisate is oxidized by homogentisate oxidase, as shown. Homogentisate oxidase converts homogentisate into mallyl acetoacetate. So, here we see that homogentisate has been converted into mallyl acetoacetate. That's how mallyl acetoacetate is formed. Mallyl acetoacetate in the presence of isomerase is isomerized into fumarate. Acetate in the presence of thiolase can be converted into acetyl-CoA and acetate. Next, the tyrosine can form the pigment melanin in the presence of the enzyme tyrosinase. Melanogenesis is a multi-step process and begins with the conversion of the amino acid tyrosine to DOPA. DOPA is further converted into dopaquinone. Addition of cysteine or glutathione to the dopaquinone leads to the intermediates formation, followed by the subsequent transformation and polymerization to the final product, the pheomelanin, which is the pigment. Tyrosine also forms catecholamines. So, tyrosine can be hydroxylated to form DOPA. The addition of the additional groups on tyrosine is shown in red color. DOPA is decarboxylated to form dopamine. Dopamine is again hydroxylated to form norepinephrine, and finally the norepinephrine is methylated to form epinephrine. So, here we can see the formation of DOPA, dopamine, norepinephrine and epinephrine from the amino acid tyrosine. So, that's the synthesis of catecholamines from the amino acid tyrosine. Not only that, it can also synthesize thyroid hormone. For thyroid hormone synthesis, tyrosine can be iodinated in the thyroid gland to form monoiodotyrosine, meaning tyrosine carrying one atom of iodine. The iodine is shown in red. It can be further iodinated to diiodotyrosine as shown by two red colored iodines here. Finally, one monoiodotyrosine can combine with a diiodotyrosine to form T3, or two diiodotyrosines can form to combine the thyroid hormone T.